Welcome once again to the Daily Message. Once again today, as part of our observance of Respect Life Month, I want to pray for those among us who are seniors. I want to offer this prayer written by Father Pierre Teilhard de Chardin that is a prayer for the grace to age well. And so we pray. When the signs of age begin to mark my body, and still more when they touch my mind, when the ill that is to diminish me or carry me off strikes from without or is born within me, when the painful moment comes in which I suddenly awaken to the fact that I am ill or growing old, and above all, at that last moment when I feel I am losing hold of myself and am absolutely passive within the hands of the great unknown forces that have formed me. In all those dark moments, O God, grant that I may understand that it is you, provided only my faith is strong enough, who are painfully parting the fibers of my being in order to penetrate to the very marrow of my substance and bear me away within yourself.